What's up, Motley Garage? That's our new name for our new channel. Instead of Micro Scale Garage, we are now Motley Garage. Just like the jokester that we are, but we also got things that we got to finish up. So, lately what I've been working on is this little e-010 drone airboat. We got a lot of things that we got to work on. We actually got to make the chassis a little bit longer.
Dad, is it supposed to have that?
Yep, it is recording right now.
Okay.
So, for the first time, got the wires wired up. Hopefully we'll get steering. We're going to set it over here in the creek. And I know in the bathtub, without electronics, it was sinking in the back. I tried to push the battery all the way up to the front. And this is only printed with 35% infill, but as you can see with the motors, it really sinks in the back. All right, here we go. Let's go slow. Oh. Alright, turn it around. Alright, let's try and we have no steering. Oh!
No! It doesn't flow!
No, it's sunk. It's sunk, buddy. Yeah, it's taking on a lot of water.
It's a jet now!
We can make a submarine. Are you recording that?
Yeah. We failed.
Yeah, we failed. We just gotta try again.
Make those bigger.
We're gonna make the pylons. We'll make the pylons bigger, and we'll rise up the. Oh, it's not gonna spin with a stick in there. All right, there we go. There's both spinning. So I mean, we got forward. You can hear it where it's throttling.
Yeah, and you can also see it.
It's throttling differently for the steering, so maybe that's all we gotta do is work on is just work on the chassis. Get the chassis to where it'll actually float. And this was all printed one piece. It took me, this is printed with 0.3 nozzle, -15 layer height, so that way I make sure everything seals up. But right there I had a hole in my design, so I gotta fix that.
Probably why it sunk.
Yeah, just a little bit. I tried to seal it up with the soldering iron there. But plus with it sinking in the back like that, let's see, we ain't got all the water out. Alright. See, with it sinking in the back like that, it's just gonna take on water. And that's what's gonna make it sink. But, alright you guys, almost called you guys Micro Scale Garage, but that's not our channel no more. So, I'll put the design tomorrow. I'll go ahead and I'll upgrade. Actually, give me about 15 minutes. I'll go ahead and I'll upgrade the chassis as it is. And then these pylons here, these need to be infilled a little bit more, because as you can see, they're super thin. So we don't want that. We want it to be.
I want to use it.
We don't want it to. We're gonna print a new one, buddy, that work.
Okay.
So we don't want it to be that thin, and we're gonna make that better. So easy to print. I mean, for me, it took me a little while. It took about 12 hours to print. Kira said 6 hours. We're just using the Blade Inductrix battery. I desoldered. It was one of my old batteries that didn't solder that wouldn't charge no more. So I took the cap off and just soldered on a little small JST plug on there. So, but that's the airboat. We'll go ahead and get the design up on Tinkercad. Like, share, subscribe, you guys. Peace and love. God bless. I'll see y'all in the next video.
What do I do now?
Hit the red button, buddy.